We at Lowe's looking for a refrigerator. But looky here, they got Christmas stuff up. Christmas trees. Look at that. We're going shopping for a new refrigerator. We tried at Home Depot, now we're at Lowe's looking for a refrigerator. Look at all these trees. Ready for Christmas. At Lowe's. Look at that. And pumpkins. And beautiful flowers. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. Some ideas for Christmas.
Yeah, can you believe it?
Yeah. Look at this. I'm at Lowe's looking for a refrigerator, my family and I. And we got these decorations for Christmas already. Hey. Oh, look at this owl. I'm the wise owl too. Look at that. We got skeletons for, we got Halloween mats. More Christmas stuff. More Christmas stuff. They got the balls and everything ready on Lowe's. Wow. Lowe's is really up there. Look at that. Mail. Letters to Santa. Oh, that's neat. Huh? That'd be good to put in a children kindergarten or something. Huh? Look at these lights. Ready for Christmas. Ah, wonderful. Christmas trees. The balls, all these balls for the Christmas decorative lights. Oh, where's this little? Oh, they got skeletons for Halloween. Do you have skeletons in the closet? Look at this. Look at this. Pine cones. A witch. Okay, let me join my family. We are supposed to be buying a refrigerator, and they long since probably pick one out without me. Huh? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, this pillow. What does it say here? Pumpkin patch. Cider, hay, rice, and pies. Let's see here. Cider, hay, rice, pie. Oh, very good for the season, or for the holiday, or for the day. Some decorations for Halloween can be extended to the winter. With good imagination. That's my belief. let me go and rejoin my family. They look at a new refrigerator, and I better see what they picked out without me. Let me get my thing. I'm at Lowe's. We already tried Home Depot. We got a refrigerator, but they've out of stock. We got the model number right here. See the model number? Let me see if I can get it. Right here. Let me go look for my family. They probably say, where's Jesse? Okay, let me go over here. Oh, I like this refrigerator. There, that's my sister, waving at me. Say, come on, come on, come on. This way. They're there right there. Oh, okay, I follow them. Let me find the refrigerator. I want to buy me a new stove too. Yes, 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 yes. Can you find it? Okay. Now, okay, let me close it up because I don't want to.